Linog, Ginginid, and Ayun are just few local terms for earthquakes, while pagputok ng bulkan, pagtuga kan bulkan, paglupok sang bulkan, and pagbuto sang bulkan refer to volcanic eruptions in some of the Philippine languages. These terms reflect not only our cultural wealth and linguistic diversity, but also how deeply we are familiar with and have been affected by geologic hazards. I am honored that the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, under the Department of Science and Technology, has embarked on the full realization of the DANAS project. With the support and monitoring of the DOST Philippine Council for Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology Research and Development, as well as our partner institutions, Don Mariano Marcos State University in La Union and the University of the Philippines in Visayas, this initiative marks a significant step in advancing science communication and disaster preparedness by integrating local knowledge into our disaster resilience strategies. Our objectives are simple yet profound. We aim to create a culturally sensitive and gender-inclusive methodology. With the source books and informational videos, we encourage you to explore and apply the insights and strategies in strengthening disaster resilience and promoting science in our communities. Together, let's build a future where science and local narratives unite in delivering a brighter and safer tomorrow for the people.
Ang salitang danas o experience ay ginamit natin para sa proyektong Disaster Narratives for Experiential Knowledge-Based Science Communication for Earthquake, Tsunami, and Volcanic Eruption. Ang purpose natin sa project na to ay makuha yung mga kwento ng ating mga kababayan mula sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas na ginagamit ang lokal na pananalita. Ang gusto nating marating ay magkaroon tayo ng mga source books base sa mga kwento ng ating mga kababayan sa iba't ibang lengguwahe para mas nakaka-relate sana yung ating mga kababayan na gagamit ito.
Ayun yang palapit ng palapit kukurog. Marami datang bato at sulak yang kayo marami si shake dala. Ketang intensity. Mayat maya kasi every na minsan 30 minutes mo atin paggalaw ng lupa eh. Pero itang malakas siguro. Ayan tulad kay niyang April 22, 2019 na lindol.
Ay, asok mamasok ya kay ba't katukinan ning balam ning malakas sa balamo niya pa keng dundol mamaksing matulig. Yang kaipin diyan misigyanan kayo. Kuman mi kakakit ta sobrang tuling. Linaut na kami, siyempre dakal nga po mga lati pendinan milang face mask kaya nakabulok itang burak babawong asupri.
Impanay mong daramdaman kanita itang mumurang balas, potang kaya itang pagyanig itang layo nata mo panay makanya panay mumugon. Pero itang mo ng dambaw na ni nga supri, ala kay nga bawo kanita eh.
Yung daramdaman mi yang dimbato nila naman na balam dadagos lang mamapi. Ulteng ay may bukang mga klakkeng kangi. Hala naman may itong aldo. Siguro mga kapi ng aldo. Pero makain mo rin itang matindi. Balang batulan dudulang mani batang kitang kain na mamapila.
May lahar ay makatakot mo naman kay lahar. talagang niyang minuran kanita. Biglang-bigla, deng itang balasampong gabo na makatambak siguro keng malapit kay pinagos nening danom. Talagang manay mo naman kay ngeng magkayeng lahar kanita, maanak kay nge lampas pambale, yung lahar. Baka anti taya katas ken posting baluming gabon ay danamay ta.
Knowledge is crucial for geologic disaster preparedness. The DOST books provide clear, local language descriptions of earthquake and volcanic hazards. By understanding these hazards through the lived experiences of survivors, you are taking a vital step towards disaster resilience. Use the DOST books and additional resources to enhance your geologic disaster preparedness. Let's come together to build a safer, more informed community. Your awareness and action make a difference.